Hey everyone, so today Nadine and I are taking Preston, hey Preston, and Callie to meet a new friend. So the new friend she's meeting is Maggie, so we're hoping it doesn't rain. We're gonna take them for a walk. It's gonna be a lot of fun. How excited are you to meet a new friend today? Are you excited about that? We're gonna have so much fun. It's gonna be so much fun, Preston! I heard she's waiting for you. I got some pictures of her waiting by the window to see you, so it's gonna be really, really fun. So we just got an update that Maggie's leash was left at home, so they're gonna go get Maggie's leash, but that's kind of funny. Don't you think, Preston? Isn't it hilarious? Oh, Preston! Hey, Maggie!
Like, well, like she's never been to a dog park.
Oh, what? Hi, Maggie. Go meet Maggie. Go on. Go on. Come on. This way. Go meet Maggie. Preston, that's not meeting Maggie. Preston, he's upset because she tried to bite him.
He's too wild.
He's not wild. How dare you insult my dog? Preston, come here. We don't need to do this.
Dirty water.
Oh.
Hi, sweet boys. Sweet boys.
Hi, Maggie. Setting up a photo shoot with the dogs. There we go.
Kelly, sit. Preston, sit your bum.
Okay.
Sit your bum. Sit your bum.
Sit down. Kelly, sit.
Preston, sit your bum.
Sit down. Sit. No.
Preston, sit. Preston, stay. No, you guys.
Come on, sweet boy.
Come on. Okay, Callie, sit.
Kelly, up.
Preston, stay. Stay.
Good boy.
Stay.
Okay, wait. Kelly might have to sit on the floor.
So Preston had so much fun meeting Maggie today. The dogs had a good time, and you can see Callie there. She's fast asleep while sitting up. Preston's kind of squishing her as he always does. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. Hopefully Preston will meet Maggie again and make a lot of new dog friends. Anyways, we will see you guys next time with another update. Say bye, Preston. Bye!